Dheeraj Sachdev, Vice President and Head of Equities Portfolio Management Services with HSBC Asset Management, joins us live. Dheeraj, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Dheeraj, what's going on? When we started the year, there were bulls everywhere. Now there are bears everywhere.
Hi, Nikun. Just a clarification. I'm part of the HSBC Global Asset Management and not with the PMS. Well, Nikun, year to date, definitely it has taken the markets have taken everybody by surprise, and Indian market compared to other emerging market has underperformed given elevated current account deficit and weak investment or capex cycle. Besides, there are fresh rounds of uncertainty given the political equation, and questions are being raised or doubts are being taken whether the government will pursue its reforms agenda which it carried out since September last year. However, we believe and we are hopeful that given the lower growth that we achieved in the last quarter, the RBI should focus back or will focus back on the growth side rather than on the inflation side, and will have some kind of a series of interest rate cutting cycle to push growth. Besides, we are also hearing that, or we are given to understand that some of the right steps are being taken by the government to ensure faster project clearances, which have hit some kind of roadblocks on account of environment clearances or land acquisition issues or coal linkage issues. So this will ensure that the investment cycle should come back, though gradually, and it will be back-ended. So we remain hopeful and positive on the markets per se.
What is your take on the global setup? Are you a bit surprised that so far for this year, emerging markets are under pressure and developed markets are outperforming in Indian, emerging markets? The BRICS surely has hit some kind of a wall, and European equities and US equities are moving from strength to strength.
You're right. I think this kind of a disconnect is pretty alarming in the first 3 months of this calendar year. US has shown fairly smart recovery, whereas emerging markets have seen some kind of an